Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we are going to learn high order multiplication of two numbers with an easy grouping method. And we are going to have a lot of fun while learning it with an interesting Intelli activity. To perform the activity, we are going to need the following materials from our Intelli Smart Box. Take out the three types of number cards. We have 30 blue colored hundreds cards, 50 green colored tens cards and 85 yellow colored ones cards. Each hundreds card represents 100 units. Each tens card represents 10 units. And each ones card represents a single unit. We can use these cards to represent different numbers and we can perform multiplication operation on the numbers. The method which we are going to use is the grouping method. We use the process of repeated addition in grouping method, which means adding the same number a certain number of times. Let us see how we multiply the number 18 with the number 6. 18 multiplied by 6 means we need to add 18 times 6 or add the number 18 6 times. Adding the number 18 6 times sounds easier, and we must know that multiplication is repeated addition. Let us see how to represent the number 18 using the number cards. If we expand the number 18, the expanded notation of 18 would be 1 multiplied by 10 plus 8 multiplied by 1, which gives us 10 plus 8. The number 18 can be written as 10 plus 8. We can use a tens card and 8 ones cards to represent the number 18. Now what if we represent the number 18 in the same way 6 times? This is the way we can represent the number 18 6 times. Now we shall count the total number of single units that we have here. We have 10 units in each of the green tens cards. For 6 tens cards, we have 6 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 60 single units. And we have 6 times 8 yellow ones cards, which makes the total number of 48 single units. The total number of single units that we have is 60 plus 48, which makes a total number of 108 single unit blocks. The multiplication product of the number 18 and 6 is equal to 108. This is an amazing way to visualize the method of multiplication as the process of repeated addition. But this is an easy multiplication which many of us might even remember on tips. Let us try to perform a bit more complex multiplication problem. What about the number 472 multiplied with the number 4? Which means we need to add 4 times 472 or add the number 472 times. To do this, let's first represent the number 472 using the number cards. The expanded notation of 472 would be 4 multiplied by 100 plus 7 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1, which gives us 400 plus 70 plus 2. So we can represent 472 using 4 hundreds cards, 7 tens cards and 2 ones cards. And now we must represent the same 4 times, as we are multiplying 472 with the number 4. And this is how it looks. Now we have too many single unit blocks to count, but it's very easy to count. Each blue card contains 100 units and we have 4 times 4 cards of hundreds, which makes 16 blue 100 cards, which makes a total number of 1600 single unit blocks. We have 4 times 7 tens cards, which makes a total number of 28 tens cards, and each tens card contains 10 units, which gives us a total number of 280 single unit blocks. And we have 8 ones cards, which makes 8 single units. Adding up all the single units together makes 1600 plus 280 plus 8, which is equal to 1888 single units. And this is our result. 472 multiplied by the number 4 is equal to 1888. After performing this activity, we are sure that you will have learned the following concepts. Expanded representation of a number using the number cards, the relation between multiplication and repeated addition, the multiplication of two given numbers using the grouping method, and solving a multiplication problem. Now you can choose more pairs of numbers and perform their multiplication using the number cards and do it yourself. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.